Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can auction items in Ultimate Team in College Football 27. It's pretty easy. All you gotta do, simply open Ultimate Team. Here in Ultimate Team, you need to select the option My Items. And here in My Items, you're gonna see all of your items. So whichever you would like to auction, simply select that. And here you can see we have all the options, and one of the option is for auction. Select that. You can choose the duration, like for how long you would like to put this item for auction. You can choose from 1 hour up to 1 day. I'm gonna choose, let's say, 8 hours. Then you need to set the starting price for this item. You can also enable or disable buy it now option for this particular item. If you set this on, you can set the buy it now price like this. Once you're happy with the changes, simply select post, and that way the item will be listed in auction. And now as you can see, the item is successfully listed in auction. Now whenever someone buy it, coins will be credited in our game. Also you can select whichever item again you would like to put on auction. Select that item. You're gonna see a couple of options. We need to select the auction one. Right here you can choose the duration, set the starting price, you can set the buy it now price, and just simply select the option post, and that way you'll able to put item on auction. But keep in mind that not all items gonna have the option to auction. Like you can see this one, we don't have the option to auction it. But yeah, that's it. This is the process you need to follow to auction your items in Ultimate Team in College Football 27. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.